Okay, so we have questions and answers. Now, a right there question, what was one thing that trade brought to the Americas? So you see right here in the paragraph, the title of this section, Trade Brings Disease. So then the next type of question, a think and search question, would be, what happened to the Native American population after trade brought disease? Now as you look through the paragraph, answer then states that exact numbers are unknown, but the historians estimate the disease brought by Europeans killed more than 20 million Native Americans in Mexico at the first century of conquest. And it also says, as you continue to read, that the population of Native Americans in Central America decreased 90-95% because of disease, and that it had a similar effect in Peru and other parts of the Americas. Now, an author new question, how do you think the disease was transferred to the Americas? Well, as you know, in order to get the Americas, you had to sail by boat. So the only way disease was brought was on the boat. Now, that could have been in the form of exposure. Somebody who had a disease or who was sick was on the ship, exposed it to other people on the ship, and when they arrived and made contact with the Native Americans, it began to spread to them. As well as it could have been disease brought by the animals that they brought on the ship, or the food that they brought that might have been contaminated with disease. So those are some ways that you think about, that I think about, that disease was transferred. Now, on my own question as a student, can disease really kill more people than conquest? The real conquest of the Americas wasn't done by killing as many people would have expected. It was more done because disease, how badly it affected the Native Americans, since they had not been exposed to the disease, and as a result, their body did not develop the immunity needed to fight the disease. So in only 100 years, it wiped out almost the entire population of the Native Americans because of this weakness. And that is the effect of disease on conquest.